Hey everyone, so I've got my smart ring here. When you do receive it, you do get a charging cord here. Now that we do have this charging case here, which I really like, you can see here that we've got a green light there. It's letting me know that everything's being charged. And then the ring itself, I mean, it's just really nice looking. You can see here it's kind of a stainless steel look to it, and it fits easily. What I've done with it, I've got my wedding ring over here, and so I have a couple of different fingers that I can wear with it. And as I've been wearing it, I really love the data and the information that I'm getting from it. Let me go ahead and show you the app that you're going to use with this and all the data that you can use with it. So the app is real easy to use. You can see here it's recorded my heart rate, my blood oxygen level, even my skin temperature. And then if you go to the bottom, you can actually pick some different other items that you can see. So for instance, was my sleep last night. It's telling me my total sleep that I had. And it even breaks it down to deep sleep, light sleeps, even my REM, and then the quality of my sleep and my breathing. You can also have it record your fitness, whether you're going to be running or walking or even riding or just exercising in general. And then also, when you step away from your device that has the app, all that information is recorded in the ring itself. And then when you get back near your app again, it's going to go ahead and connect to it and record everything. I just like that it's easy to use. Looks pretty cool too.